Hello, it's time for another edition of Economic Calendar. I'm Marina Generalova, and here is what financial market participants will pay attention to on Thursday and Friday. On Thursday, two European financial regulators will announce their interest rate decisions for May. Thus, most experts say the Bank of England will keep the rates unchanged at 0.5%. At its previous meeting, the Bank of England also kept its bond purchase program unchanged. Policymakers last increased their bond buying target in July 2012. And the benchmark rate has been unchanged since March 2009. In August 2013, the Bank of England said that the rate hike will be discussed after unemployment in the UK will be 7%. Current jobless rate is 7.2%. However, the central bank asserted that the base rate would remain at the same level at least until the second quarter of 2015. Right after the Bank of England announcement, the European Central Bank will disclose its interest rate decision. And it is to remain at 0.25%. Earlier, the European regulator took the same decision. Last time the refinancing rate was cut in November 2013. During the press conference, Mario Draghi mentioned again that the rates will be reduced if necessary. In particular, options include a negative deposit rate, but most likely monetary stimulus will be kept unchanged and interest rates will be kept at current levels for quite a long time. The regulators say there is no threat of deflation, but keeps abreast of the issue of inflationary pressures. The region recently experienced the price growth pace slow down, thus inflation remains well below the ECB target below 2%. On Friday, Canada will unveil its labor market data. Analysts say Canada's unemployment will come in at 6.9%, unchanged from the previous months, while employment will grow, adding 14,900 new jobs in April. Last month, the jobless rate in Canada fell against the prior month by 0.1% to 6.9%. Meanwhile, economists forecasted no change in the indicator. At the same time, employment rose by 43,000 versus expectations for growth of 22,500. The change was mainly in the youth unemployment. What is more, markets will keep tabs on the following events as well. Thus, Australia will release its labor market figures on Thursday. China will publish its trade balance data. In Germany, industrial production report is due and inflation rate in Switzerland will be out. The United States will publicize statistics on initial jobless claims. On Friday, the Reserve Bank of Australia will announce its monetary policy decision for the current quarter, while China will report its inflation data. The UK will release its trade balance and industrial output reports. On Saturday, Federal Open Market Committee member Narayana Kacharlakota will deliver his speech. That's all for the second half of the week. Check back on Friday for our next overview of the upcoming macroeconomic releases.